My name is Jing Zhang. This video is Homework 3 first problem for class EL6303. The first question is we know the probability of x equal k equal to a times k times 1 over 3 to k minus 1, k equal to 1 to infinity. And the first problem is to find a so that the probability of x equal k represent a probability mass function. And in general problem, let the probability of x equal k equal to a times k times p to k minus 1, k equal to 1 to infinity, and p less than 1. We know if the p less than 1, the sum of a times p to k, k from 0 to infinity, equal to a over 1 minus p. And we need to know the sum of a times k times p to k minus 1. We know this equation. We need to this equation equal 1, and we already know this one. So differential this equation, we can get this formula. And this formula is a over 1 minus p squared equal 1. So a is equal to 1 minus p squared. Because in this question p is equal to 1 over 3, so a is equal to 4 over 9. And next question is to find the ex. Because ex we can write it like sum of k times the probability of x equal to k from 0 to infinity. And I can rewrite it like sum of a times k squared times p to k minus 1, k from 0 to infinity. And from the last question, we know the sum of a times k times p to minus 1 equal to a over 1 minus p squared. And if we want to know this formula, we need to differentiate this equation. And this equation is a over 1 minus p squared times p. So it's right here. After calculation, we can get the ex equal to a times 1 plus p over 1 minus p to 3, because a is equal to 1 minus p squared from the last question. So the ex equal to 1 plus p over 1 minus p. P is equal to 1 over 3, so ex equal to 2. The next question is to find ex squared. Just like this question, ex squared, we can rewrite it like sum of k squared times the probability of x equal k from 0 to infinity is equal to sum of a times k to 3 times p to k minus 1, k from 0 to infinity. And from the last question, we know the sum of a times k squared times p to minus k equal a times 1 plus p over 1 minus p to 3. So the sum of a times k squared times p to k equal to p times this formula. So it's equal to a times p times 1 plus p over 1 minus p to 3. So differentiate this equation, we can get ex squared equal to 1 plus 2p times 1 minus p plus 3 times 1 plus p squared over 1 minus p squared. So p is equal to 1 over 3, and ex squared equal to 11 over 2. The last question is to find the conditional probability mass function. The probability of x equal to k given x between 1 to 10 is equal to the probability of x equal k over the probability of x between 1 to 10. And from the question, we already know the probability of x equal k. So we only need to calculate this volume. And the probability of x between 1 to 10 equal to sum of 4 minus 4 over 9 times 1 plus 2 times 1 over 3 plus equal to 10 times 1 over 3 to 9, and k is from 1 to 10. And we times the 1 over 3 both sides. We get this equation, and use the first equation to minus this equation, we can get 2 over 3, the probability of x between 1 to 10 equal to 4 over 9 times 1 minus 1 over 3 to 10 over 1 minus 1 over 3 minus 10 times 1 over 3 to 10. Because 1 over 3 to 10 is very small, so this the probability of x between 1 to 10 equal to 1. So the conditional probability mass function equal to the probability of x equal k is equal to 4 over 9 times k times 1 over 3 to k minus 1. K is equal to 1 to 3 to 10. This is the first question. Thank you.